If you're thinking that all pre-approvals are the same, you're about to lose out on houses to buyers who already know better, because there are actually 3 different levels of mortgage approval, and most people only know about one of them. Let me break this down for you. First, let's talk about pre-qualification. This is basically worthless. The lender just asks you some questions over the phone about your income and debts, and no documentation, no credit check, nothing is verified. Don't waste your time. Then there's the pre-approval. This is what most people get. The lender pulls your credit, looks at some of your documents, and gives you a letter. It's better than a pre-qualification, but it's still not the best option. But here's what most buyers don't know exists: full underwriting approval. Some lenders call it a verified approval or certified pre-approval. This is where the lender does everything except the appraisal up front. They verify your income, your assets, your employment, your credit, everything. You're essentially already approved to close before you even find the house. But why does this matter? Because you're competing against other offers. Sellers and their agents don't just look at the price, they look at how likely you are to actually close. Let's just say this: a seller gets 3 offers. One for $450,000 with a pre-approval, one for $455,000 with a basic pre-approval, and one for $450,000 with full underwriting approval. Guess which one they're going to be taking? I know as their listing agent which one I would advise them to do. The one we know won't fall apart in underwriting 3 weeks later. I work with lenders who are already good at this full approval process. They can get a buyer underwritten up front, which makes their offer as strong as cash in many cases. And here's the thing: it doesn't cost you anything extra. It just takes a little more work up front instead of scrambling afterwards when you're under contract. It gives you more peace of mind as well as a stronger offer. If you're serious about buying and want your offer to actually win, you need to know which level of approval you have. Because in today's market, being almost approved isn't enough. You need to be bulletproof. If you want to connect with lenders who do a full approval process and make your offer stand out, let's talk. I'll make sure that you're armed with the strongest possible approval before we even start looking.